moving really fast.
Oh, you mean the spinner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't know what I was talking about?
Sadie, I'm recording you. Say hi.
Hi. Look, it looks like Jello.
Yeah, but it's cement.
I know, but watch when they cut it out.
Yeah. All coming out of that truck. There's a dude. There's another dude over there. That's the big truck it's coming out of.
Yeah, they know very good.
There's Roger.
And this other dude, and then there's another dude.
There's another dude back there.
That looks like Roger.
Yeah, it's Roger's brother. They're like twins. It's crazy. And then there's 4 dudes here. That's Roger.
At first I thought that guy was Roger. But
The brother, his brother.
Wait, you don't know if he's your brother or not.
Yeah, Mom told me.
Oh. Then they do this.
Yeah.
What if they're both named Roger?
Okay.
I just like staring at the cement already.
Jennifer.
Jimmy, Christmas. Yummy.
Okay. Sadie, say bye.
Bye.
Sadie, look at the camera.